Okay, so we're in Taipa. We're going to be going down that little street right there. It's just kind of, this is across from Porto, which is a Portuguese one. There's Tuk-Tuk, which is a Thai one. And we're going to go down that little street next to this green building right there. And before we even go down, the Thai restaurant's about to open up. The gate's coming up. And this is Galaxy Casino. Thai Strip is down that way. Ooh, that's loud. There's another Thai restaurant there too. And we're going to head on down that way. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So that one is opening up soon, quite noisily. Floor too. So we got restaurants all the way down. This is Regidor, and we're gonna go down that street right there next to that kind of cool building. So let's head across. Looks like they're giving us a little bit of space to go across. There's another Thai restaurant right here in green. So yeah, it's like so promising. They used to have a table out here, Thai feel, but I bet it's empty. Yeah, it's not empty, but it looks like it doesn't. It's supposed to open at 11:30. They didn't even come on time. Okay, so lots of other stuff is quite busy. You can see tons of tourists walking around this area. And what we're going to be doing is walking down Gloria, which is right where this green building is at. Which is this one right here. But before we even go down, so that's our focus on this one, Travessa de Glória. It's like a little back alley next to this green building. So let's come over this way briefly. Pizzeria. It's a pretty cool building. Let's see if we can. It's pretty busy today, so honking horns and all. Yeah, that's a lot of traffic already. I think a lot of them are coming in from Zhuhai now too. They made it so that right there is a ZM, has a little Zhuhai plate, so that way they can go back and forth to both. And they're accepting mainland Chinese driver's license too. So there's a lot more traffic in Macau now. So we're gonna let's go down our alley. That building is so cool. If I get a chance, I'm just gonna go across, like right now. Now you can see these two side by side. So that one is some pretty nice spaces. Okay, so let's go down our Target Street with Gloria. There we go. So this is Gloria, Travessa de Glória. And I think it goes down a little ways, so we're gonna follow it. We're in Taipa Village right now. There's another place I really like right here in this corner. And they got some pretty good food here. I might get that one. Actually, I'm gonna get it. So that's called Finbo. Actually, they remember me because I got this one before, so we're gonna get this one right here. Thank you. So we'll come back in 5 minutes. So that one's on Travessa de Glória. So we're gonna walk for a few minutes. Let's kind of highlight a little bit of what's in here. Harley Davidson right there. Give you a different angle in a second. And basically our Target Street was that one right there, Travessa de Glória. But we also have some coffee shop. That one used to be, that's OTT down that way. And there's some other stuff down this way, and they're doing some construction there. And there's Galaxy Casino over the side. Pretty cool. Some nice rooftop stuff. So, okay. So that's Park Coffee. We're gonna continue on Gloria. Harley Davidson. There's also a Thai restaurant there, so that's actually 3 Thai restaurants in a very close proximity. And we're still going to continue on Travessa de Glória right there. Huh, okay. Got some. I should try that restaurant. Yeah, it's kind of a cool little space in here. Somebody has a garden surrounded by. There's an artist that's in here too. But I'm not sure which one this is. I think it's this one. Let's kind of capture some of this. Yeah, I think that's his studio right there because I can see what looks like his artwork. I'm gonna visit him one of these times. I had him, I met him here and he was working on his place a little bit. This is kind of interesting. So that's actually open. Looks like they're gonna repair that one. Yeah, I think that blue one is where the artist is at, from Portugal. And we're kind of in these little alleys. Okay. So I think this might be the end of Travessa de Glória. But I'm just gonna walk briefly in here ever so slightly. That's kind of cool. You got a nice rooftop up there too. Mamacha. Actually, this one I think also has some upstairs as well, some views, so you can get up above a little bit. I think this Gloria, I think oh yeah, here we go. They're doing some construction right next to us. Yeah, that's been there for a while. I love that art. It's so cool. And now we're, you can kind of see all the colorful buildings here, right? Yeah, this is actually a really cool space. Portuguese bakery. So there's actually some pretty cool stuff all the way down that way as well. And then this one is the Taipa village space. So they usually have some artwork here, but right now it looks like it's a little bit more construction oriented. Pretty cool. You got alleys that go all the way down to Cunha, which is kind of a food street. And then up that way, we're gonna walk up that way in a minute, and we got Goa Nights, which is a really high quality Indian restaurant for really great prices. Let's walk up that way. Let's have these kind of cool stuff. So right now we're on, this is kind of these two restaurants win a lot of awards. You can see all the Michelin references. And now that's Goa Nights right up there. You can eat from that balcony up there as well. So we're on a different street, but it's pretty much the same as Gloria. This is kind of our main busy street. Gonna walk. So that's kind of, I think that one is, if you look all the way down in the distance, you can actually see this mountain right here. That's Taipa Grande. You can actually walk around it to the airport and places like that. A lot of tourists today. It's a really nice imagery. And we are going to go back into that. You can see also that balcony right there as well, and that balcony too. You can eat in those places. Okay. So what we're gonna do is kind of try to meander a little bit like this. So kind of capture some pretty good images right there too. Nice rooftop up there as well. And we are gonna walk back down Gloria. So we basically came out the other side just so you can have the best view. That's the name of the restaurant, Antonio Restaurant. Okay. All kinds of cool stuff. No shortage of cool stuff in Taipa village. Did some construction right there, so they've been at that for about a year and a half. Now we're gonna go back and get our sandwich and kind of meander down this Travessa de Gloria. Yeah, I didn't realize this goes through the other side. But yeah, that's all of his artwork right there. Looks kind of cool. Okay. I wouldn't mind seeing the other side of it, but an empty lot. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking through. And I'm gonna pick up that meal that I want. It's so tasty. Let's see here. That might be it right there. Okay, so we got it. You're probably curious what it is exactly, so let me just see if I can open it a little bit. But it's kind of like this croissant with beef. There you go. Now you can kind of see it. Fin bowl. So I'm going to find a good place to enjoy this nice little sandwich in there. It's like a croissant, like a crispy croissant. Okay. And that's Travessa de Gloria. So we're basically on the other side of this. So that was Gloria down that way. And we're just going to eat it in this little plaza right here. So I got that right there. Looking pretty tasty. And we're kind of in this whole area right in here. And we'll finish. And we just moved down the street a little bit. It's kind of crowded in there, so kind of near the sports street. It's just right around the corner. Stadium's over there. All right, so I'm just gonna sit back, got my water, got my sandwich. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.